dans le cadre de ce 14e festival Au fil des voix et vous demander à toutes et à tous d'applaudir chaleureusement, vigoureusement Sam Mangwana.
Yokaka sango ya Lubamba, ngomba oyo ya bana mboka, nakutana na Pambinyo, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuni sango ya Lubamba, alobisinga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kusala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, ekuta sena mabele. Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, Imuka ketoka esingola, nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, beko utasela mabele. Oye! ¡Que viva África! Yeah. Nayokaka sango ya Lubamba, Ibuka ketoka esingola, nakutana na Fernando, ayebisinga zonga mboka. Natuna sango ya Lubamba, ayebisanga maloba oyo, yango na zonga mboka, kozala bilanga kobokolo bibwele, avenir ya Afrika, ekuta sena mabele. Lubamba, oh yes. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke yaya. Lubutiki kumabata, twenda sodi na sole, lwatome sensi, nzieto ya kivu ila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge mbanza, ambuta iya leke. Kinuma bata twenda sodi na sole, twatome sensi, teto ya kivu ila yaya. Lubamba, lwatunge nzo, lwatunge mbanda, utaiya leke. Aya! Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga gani, azombo kikulu. Aye. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga gani, azombo kikulu. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga gani, azombo kikulu. Aha. Ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia, ya masinga gani, azombo kikulu. twatunge nzo twatunge mbanza utayiyaleke yaya luvutukinuma vata twenda soli na sole twatomesensi ncheto ya kivwila yaya lubamba lwatunge nzo lwatunge mbanza utayiyaleke yaya Fernando ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masimangani azombo kikuyu ezombo ditele tunga la kikolonia ya masimangani azombo kikuyu nayo kaka sango ya lubanga kimbuka keto kae singola nakutana na Fernando ayebisinga zonga mboka natuna yesango ya lubanga ayebisinga maloba oyo yango na zonga mboka kusala bilanga ngobokolo biwele aveni ya Afrika ekouta sena mabele
Hello, Kiambote, Gizambote, Sitolongoka Ndinga Ncheto, Ndinga Kikongo, Ndinga Kintino, Kia Congo de Totela. Welcome, we're going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. Congo is spoken in Congo. Kikongo is spoken in Angola, Congo, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much. We have a brother here, Brother Allen. Okay, tell you off. Okay, we hope she's coming.
Kiambote.
Yeah. Okay, Kiambote. Well, let me show my file, my PowerPoint number. 1 minute. Yes. Okay, she's here. Dr. Allen, can you read, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu,
Mhm,
Samwadia,
mhm.
Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Oh, well done. Thank you very much. Nengwatadiwa. Okay, then you need to unmute yourself, please. Oh, your mic. Oh, okay. Try to connect again. I mean, try to unplug, then come back. Sorry. Okay, Tata Len, again, please, for the last time.
Sure. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu,
Sambanu. Mhm.
Sambanu, Samwadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Thank you very much. Now, no reading again, please.
Okay, yeah. Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tanu,
Tatu.
Tatu,
Mhm.
Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Samwadia, Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Oh, thank you very much. Then what tell you? You need to unmute, please. Then try.
Now I
Your
can
turn, please. Your turn.
Mpavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu,
Mhm.
Ya, Tanu,
Mhm.
Sambanu,
Mhm.
Sambwadia,
Mhm.
Nana, Voa, Kumi.
Wow, well done, bravo. Okay, now we're going to tens. Just need to. Okay, to make it easy for you. Let's share. Remember, up to 60, we have a Maku Maku. Maku is a prefix. Let's call it prefix. Maku up to 60. Tata Alan, can you read, please?
Kumi, Makumole,
Mm,
Makumatatu,
mm,
Makumaya,
mm,
Makumatanu,
mm.
Sambanu.
Masambano. Tutondele. Nango tadiwa.
Makumasambanu.
Thank you. Nango tadiwa, please.
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu, Makumaya, Makumatanu, Makumasambanu.
Tutondele. Tata Alan.
Okay. Kumi,
On spotlight. Go ahead.
Kumi, Makumole,
Mhm,
Makumatatu,
mhm.
Makumaya,
Mhm,
Makumatanu,
mhm,
Makumasambanu.
mhm. Okay, thank you very much. We're stopping there. Nango tadiwa, please.
You know, I didn't know you were testing us on it, but I'll try.
You can do it. You just remember your unit.
Okay.
Kumi, then
Kumi, Makumole, Makumatatu,
two,
Makumaya, Makumatanu,
Matanu.
Makumasambanu, Makumasambwadia,
Oh, no, we're talking about 6. Makuma
Yes, that's
Sambanu. Makuma Sambanu. That's fine. Let me just put it back. Up to 60, not up to 60. Maku up to 60. Be careful. Then just move to the next one. The next slide. 70. The prefix is Lu. L-U. Tata Allen, please.
Lusambwadia, Lunana, Luvois.
Thank you very much. Come on, 100. Then what are you?
Lusambwadia, Lunana, Louvois.
Then Kama is 100. Okay. 70 to 100. Mengo tadiwa.
Lusambwadia, Lunana, Louvois, and Kama.
Kama. That please.
Lusambwadia, Lunana, Louvois, Kama.
Wow, well done. Wow. Very good. Okay. $44. Nengo tadiwa. Everything's there.
Makumaya Yeya.
Tutondele. Then Tatalan. 66.
Makumasambano y Sambano.
Sambano. Remember. Yeah, same thing, same pattern. 61. Makuma Sambano. Mosi. So on. And so on. Lusambwadia 77.
Lusambwadia, yes, Sambwadia.
That's only 99.
Louvois y Voix.
Okay. Same pattern, same thing. 91 is there. That's only 91.
Louvois y Mosi.
Nengwatadiwa 85.
Lunana Yetano.
Okay, thank you very much. So let us move to the 100. 100 is very easy. Kama is there. Can you read that talent?
Kama, Kamazole, Kamatatu, Kamaya, Kamatanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Kamanana, Kamavois, Funda Dimosi.
Thank you very much. Funda Dimosi, you could just say Funda.
Funda.
What idea, please?
Kama, Kamazole, Kamatatu, Kamaya, Kamatanu, Kamasambanu, Kamansambwadia, Kamanana, Kamavois, Funda Dimosi.
Tutundele. Funda Dimosi. Okay, everything is there. 220. Remember, you got your, see on the bottom, very bottom of the screen, you have your tens, yes? Can you see it?
Yes.
On the screen, you got your tens. 220, Tata Alan.
Kamazole y Yekumi. You said 210 or 220?
220.
Oh, okay. Kamazole y Makumole.
Well done. Then what I do, 440.
Kamaya ye Makumaya.
750.
You said 750 or 60?
Yeah, 750.
Oh. Kama Sambwadia y
Makumatanu, yes. 870. Then what I do?
Kama Nana ye Lusambwadia.
Yeah, well done. 980.
Kama Voix y Lunana.
Be careful.
Yeah, okay. Kama Voix y Lunana.
What did you say? I can't even remember. 900, sorry. 970. 970, please.
Oh, is this for me or
Yes, for you, Tatale, please.
oh 970? Okay. Nkamavwai
Yeah.
Lusambwadia.
Well done. Okay. Easy. If I said 971, Kamava Yelusambada, who can help me?
Ye Mosi.
Wow, bravo. You done it. Okay. Thank you very much. We need to move to another. Quickly. Okay. I'm going to check far. This lesson. Let me just. It is about pronunciation. I'm going to read the first word, then you carry on, but be careful. Listen carefully. Kiambote. I repeat, Kiambote. Kiambote. All of them have 4 syllables. Yes. Kiambote. Just follow the same pattern. Kiambote. Tatalen.
Diambote.
Well done.
Mambote. Mayamba.
Name what it again. Try the same pattern. Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote.
Diambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba.
Mayamba. Then Tatalen, this one.
Mankenda.
Well done. Can you do it again, Tatalen, from the beginning, please?
Kiambote. Diambote. Mambote. Mayamba. Mankenda.
Name what I do. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Makenda. Please.
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda.
Mayamba, Makenda. Makenda. Thank you very much. Okay, I think we should stop there. Let us move to the main lesson. Thank you. Well done. You know the number, see? You know your number. Is that good?
Not as good as I would like, but
No. I mean, the pattern there, you don't need to memorize. As long as you know your unit, the rest is easy, you know? Yeah. Okay, these are main lessons. Yes, you know the numbers. You know the numbers. Okay, let's move to the main lesson. I can't move my something with my screen. I can't move it. Okay. That's talent. Okay.
yes.
Let me just. You can see on screen something like. Can you read Besinga Kota? They're going to go. Come. Can't come Besinga Kota. Repeat.
Besinga Kota. Oh, they are going to go in, and then Nki, Antangwa, besinga kota.
Kyantangwa besinga kota. Sorry, my screen. I can't step up in here. Kyantangwa besinga kota. When are they going to come? Nengotariwa.
Besinga Luaka. They are
Besinga
going to
Luaka.
Ki Antangwa Besinga Luaka. When are they going to arrive?
Can you read again? Remember, mind the long vowel. Luaka. Remember that long vowel. Very important. Then what I do again, please?
Besinga Luaka. They are going to arrive. Nki Antangwa Besinga Luaka.
Thank you very much. Tata Allen, please.
Besinga Kwiza. Nki Antangwa Besinga Kwiza.
Here we have we can do the vowel contraction. Make it one word. Kyantangwa.
Kyantangwa. Okay, I got it.
Can you read again, please? Besinga Kwiza. Remember long vowel? Besinga Kwiza. Kyantangwa Besinga Kwiza, please.
Besinga Kwiza. Kyantangwa Besinga Kwiza.
Well done. Thank you very much. Remember long vowel?
Besinga Vunda. They are going to rest. Kyantangwa Besinga Vunda. When are they going to rest?
Sorry.
When are they going to rest?
Please. Besinga Kwenda.
Besinga Kwenda. Kyantangwa Besinga Kwenda.
Yeah, Kyantangwa Besinga Kwenda. Ki Atangwa, but you the contraction here. Well, contraction.
Yeah.
Make one word. Kyantangwa Besinga Kwenda. Besinga Manta. Kyantangwa Besinga Manta. Name what idea, please.
Besinga Manta. They are going to climb. Kyantangwa Besinga Manta. When are they going to climb?
Let me just try to show another file. I'm going to find it. Okay. Yes, here. I found my file. Okay. Dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi, diampasi, diviokele, dimonekene. That Allen, please.
Dialuvunu. Diakiese. Dialudi. Diampasi. Diviokele. Oh, diviokele. Dimonekene.
Sorry. Dimonekene first.
Dimonekene.
Right there. Nengwatadiwa, dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi, diampasi, diviokele, dimonekene.
Dialuvunu, diakese, dialudi, diampasi,
yes.
Diviokele, dimonekene.
Oh, well done. Dialuvunu, diampasi, dialudi, dialuvunu, diakese, dia ludi, dia mpasi, di viokele, di moneke. Luvunu means lie. Dia luvunu. It is a lie. When I say dia, I mean it is a lie. Dia ludi. This is the enemy of this. The enemies. Ludi. This is a lie. What is this? What is this?
The truth?
The truth.
Yes. It is a lie. Okay, it's true. Yeah. Dia luvunu, dia ludi. Dia kiese. Kiese means joy. Kiese. Pasi, suffering. Oh, it is hard. Dia pasi. Di viokele. Viokele, it's passing by. This is the root word. I mean, the verb here, moneken, the verb is moneka, to appear. Are we okay? Moneka.
Yes.
The monekene. It is visible. We can see it is appeared. Okay, plural is MA. Just change the DIA. Change, put MA. Ma is plural. MA, ma, maluvunu. Plural, makiese, maludi, mampasi, maviokele, mamonekene. That's all. Can you try, please?
Sure, I'll try.
Maluvunu.
Maluvunu, makiese, maludi, mampasi, maviokele, monekele. Monekele.
Thank you very much. Yes, well done. Nengwatadiwa maluvunu, makiese, maludi, mampasi, maviokele, mamonekene.
Maluvunu, makiese, maludi, mampasi, viokele, mamonekene.
Oh, well done. Wow. Let us. This is it. Maluvunu, makiese, maludi, mampasi. Sorry, my mistake. Makiese is not mia. Makiese, mampasi. Viokele, dimonekene, maviokele, mamonekene. Well done. Okay. We're done for today. Let's see. Someone said hello. Okay, no words. Okay. Thank you, Tata Upendo. Okay. Thank you very much. Wow, well done. So you know your number, see?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it.
Yeah, good there. Come on, it's 100,000. How do you say 1,000 in Kikongo? 1,000.
Fundi?
Mafunda.
Oh, is it Mafunda?
Mafunda.
The Dimosi, right? Funda Dimosi.
Yeah, Funda Dimosi. Sorry.
Funda. Yeah, Funda Dimosi.
Funda Dimosi. You could just say Funda. It's fine.
Okay.
1,000, 1,000.
So we can drop the Dimosi.
Yeah, you can. Like in English, like in English. You say 1,000 or 1,000.
Okay.
Say Funda Dimosi, because remember Mosi one. So Funda Dimosi 1,000. Oh, just 1,000. Tutto ndele. Thank you very much. See you next Sunday.
Thank you.
Sala Kiambote.
Thank you.
September, Ira, Papi Salomon, Félix Longa, les coordonnateurs, et pas Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma, Eric Wayeno, Dr. Nelson Kalaba, Jean-René Negolo, Mamalandu, Magua Kongo, Philippe Kamango, Pemba Masagila, Zozoru Kanu,
Politiza, Keita Kulama,
Serge Ngondo, na San Diego.
Kinshasa, Kinshasa,